Hi everyone.
Namita, let's wait for some time.
Yeah, sure.
है ना? Let's let people join.
Till
And
that, let's talk why we are here live today.
for the mainly for the season, the wedding season where people love to dress up, and not only the bride, everybody in the family, not only the bride, why bride, even the groom's family, everyone wants to dress up, and people, the guests also, they wear the best of their sarees. And एक बार this year ये और ज़्यादा होगा क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर हम लोग ने मतलब कुछ किया ही नहीं है एक्चुअली.
कोविड की वजह से बहुत रेस्ट्रिक्शंस थी और बहुत ज्यादा
हाँ.
एलैबोरेट पार्टीज हो भी नहीं रही थी. इवन वेडिंग्स आई बिलीव ओनली
Yeah.
वेरी इमीडिएट फैमिली
Yes,
जॉइंड एंड
yes.
आई डोंट थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों को वो मौका मिला होगा टू
Yes.
फ्लॉन्ट देयर वार्डरोब. एंड since touchwood the covid numbers are coming down, I hope it stays that
Yeah.
way and it as soon as possible ये बीमारी हट जाए यहाँ से. But people are doing some kind of wedding parties, weddings and everything, and people are enjoying also. So I hope ये trend बना रहे.
ट्रेंड बना रहे, हम मिलते रहे. And you know, it is nice, the weather is also nice now. It's time that we wear silk. And Calcutta or anywhere in India, most of the months we are in our cottons because you can't really enjoy wearing silk. So this is the time when we get the best clothes out. Whenever we have to go to a party where we can't avoid but wear a sari, then we just, the first thing we take out is silks and heavy silks which we can, you know, just wear it and go. So thinking of all that, the weather, the season, wedding season, we have come to today to show you some beautiful silk saris from Banaras, and I hope you will enjoy. Yeah, I think we should start, no?
Definitely. So the first sari which we want to show is this beautiful traditional off-white Banarasi sari. I think Meghali will show it in a better way.
Please take screenshot if you like it and send it to us in the number that we have already included, or you can write it down now. It's 9330463762. This is a very pretty Banarasi sari, and this is the border and the pallu. So this is a color that never gets old and you can never get tired of. An off-white and with a beautiful bright pink and purple combination. And this is the pallu again, I'll just show you. I hope it's visible.
Can you show them the blouse also for this sari?
It has a contrast blouse, so it's going to be like this. This is how you're going to wear it. You know? Sorry. This is how it will come.
The border is beautiful.
And we'll just let you know the price of this sari is 13,500. It's a kattan silk. I hope whoever likes it, please take a screenshot.
It's a beautiful sari in this price. Let's move on to a brighter color.
Yeah. pink pallu and a teal green body, or teal blue, I think teal blue, yeah. So border ta khubi, you know, it's very the work is very intricate, and even the pallu looks beautiful. This is how it's going to look with the blouse that is contrast. This is the blouse piece. So this is how it will be, you know, the contrast blouse with the border, heavy border, and the sari will be this color.
What is the price of this sari?
The price is 24,100. This is 24,100. I hope every one of you have Banarasis at home, especially West Bengal. In fact, all over India, Banarasi is something that, you know, people love, and they give it to their daughters, and it goes on for generation. And you know, initially when I was young, I didn't know Banarasi इतना दिन मतलब क्यों रहते हैं. अभी समझ में आया है कि इसका जो काम है, इसका जो पूरा लुक है, ये कभी it never gets old. I still wear my mother's Banarasi, and it is just the same, you know. In fact, looks better because the work was different at that time. It was very antique. This is a nice, again, green color and red. And if you can see the border, it's with pink, Rani pink, and orange. So this is how it's going to look. This is a pallu. Please do not forget to take screenshot if you like the sari. This is the blouse. So this is how it's going to look. Price
24,100.
Yeah, this is also 24,100. These are all cotton silk. अभी तक जो हमने दिखाया है. Let me read the price first. I've been forgetting.
I think this color is a hot favorite color in a party going circuit in Kolkata, at least that's what I've heard.
Yes, we just discovered. You know, people love wearing this color.
I think this goes when you're attending some wedding or a party where you want to look drop dead gorgeous. So I think this color goes the best. I mean, it's different and classy at the same time.
এই কালারের বয়স কিছু হয় না, মানে there's no age for this color. Everyone can wear. সবচেয়ে ভালো হচ্ছে is it's simple booty and the achol, the pallu. Pallu is solid gold, and this is how it's going to look. Very nice and very bright. At the same time, it's not that, you know, বুড়ো হলে আর পড়তে পারবো না, আমরা সব সময় এটা পড়তে পারবো. That's how the color is.
Does this sari have a blouse piece?
Yeah, it has a blouse which is plain. This is the blouse. So this is how the look is. Very pretty sari, very pretty. Like I mentioned again earlier, this sari has it's for all age group. From a 25 to a 60, everyone can wear. Yeah, this is 15,000 rupees and very nice silk Banarasi sari.
There's a comment from a viewer. Sushmita says, very nice kurtis both of you are wearing. Thank you so much, Sushmita. This is our in-house tailoring, and we do have very nice kurta, and we have a pant set like the one I'm wearing. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
This is the blouse of the sari. It's the entire sari, the entire blouse has work. This is the sari.
Very beautiful sari.
And eta blouse. Yeah, this is the blouse.
It's a beautiful work on whole body.
Yeah, it's a whole body sari. The price is 27,500.
Please keep taking the screenshot of the saris. Let us read more comments. Banashri, thank you so much. Please take a screenshot. We'll come back to you.
Now this sari has a story to it. This is just see the look of the sari. We had the same sari in two colors. This one and there was another one which got sold. But this people had, so many demands about this sari. People from USA, they had taken the same sari. And I had to reorder and it really took a long time because Banarasi usually order korle onekta shomoy lage. It takes time. So this is one of them. We have the last piece left of the reordered.
This is a beautiful color.
Yeah.
The work is very, very pretty.
And this is the pallu. And the blouse is plain. Oh, sorry. Eta blouse. ये दिख नहीं रहा है. हाँ.
I hope everybody can see.
So this is how it's going to look. The price of this sari is. দেখো তো দামটা কোথায় আছে? এটাই আছে. The price is 18,000. This is another beautiful. Just see the work. This can be worn to a party, to a wedding. And this one is the blouse. the blouse has stripes in it. This is the blouse. It's a very beautiful sari.
$22,500.
Yeah, this is 22,500. Any color choice that you have, you want to see. A lot of people love yellow, so please put it across in a messenger or here, so that we know that what you want to see. This is a different type of Banarasi. This is a very different type of Banarasi. Just see, the upper portion is like this और नीचे ऐसा है. नीचे में छोटा छोटा बहुत स्मार्ट साड़ी है. ये पल्लू है उसका. This is the पल्लू. And this is the blouse. This is how it's going to look. I think something very different from the lot we have shown you. Please take screenshots so that in case you like it, we can send pictures to you so that you can see the sari properly. The price is 19,500. See the work of this sari. This is a completely bridal wear. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. So, this is actually a bridal wear. The sari itself is so gorgeous. I'm showing it to you once again. Lot of times, you may not need a Banarasi sari, but then you may have friends who maybe, they must be searching for something which is unique. So give them our reference, and you can also find us in Facebook, in Facebook we are already in Instagram, and also go through our website. This one is 28,500. Another wedding sari, again bridal. This is blue. This is not black. We don't wear black in weddings. So this is, a lot of people in camera, they may think it's black, but this is blue. Actually, we always had heavy bridal wear, but somebody suggested that there are a lot of people who like something light like this. So it's a very light sari, very beautiful. Look at the pallu. And the suggestion came in a way that they said that the sari should be such that you just don't wear on the day of the wedding and you can continue wearing it. So thinking about that, we got these kind of saris. This is the blouse. Blouse has a par. Please take a screenshot if you like the sari. This is 30,000. Another bridal wear. This again is a heavy bridal wear, you know. And this is the blouse. The blouse is polka dot. Just this is how it will look. Just look at the sari once more. This is the pallu. And the blouse is polka dot. It's not polka dot, it's small polka dot kind of a booty.
Work on whole body.
Yeah, it's a whole body work. But this can't be anything other than a bridal wear. This is 32,000. This is the last sari. Again a sari which is woven, the entire body has weave. This is the pallu. And the blouse is this one. This is the blouse. This is how it's going to look. Yeah. We have shown whatever we planned for today. If you want to see something else, you know, we have cottons, we have silks, we have kalamkari, we have south silk, we have kanjivarams, you know, we have lot of other handloom saris also, jamdanis. If you have any specific requirement which you feel that, you know, sitting at home you want to see, please leave a message here or WhatsApp us, and we will come up with another live. In fact, we'll be live every week, every day of the week. We'll try and do that. But I think if you have any suggestion for us, you know, please give us. We have a huge collection of Assamese sarees which are hot selling. Assamese, Jamdanis and even Banaras, they sell the most here. So we will be happy to show you and you know, it's any suggestion, even for the live. If you feel that we need to joke a little, please tell us. If we need that we have to, you know, we should just show saris in 10 minutes and finish it, please let us know, because your views will help us to improve every time we do a live.
Yeah, here I would like to add few points. We have a COD facility also. You can buy either from website or let us know once you confirm the order that yes, you are taking it. We can provide COD on WhatsApp also. I mean, you give the order on WhatsApp and we give you COD facility, and prepaid is of course there. COD only happens once you confirm the order over WhatsApp. So I think many people prefer COD over prepaid these days. Since you know, so we also have come up with COD. Earlier we did not have, so now we have that facility. So I think it is an added feature where you are sure that this is a nice product and we are genuine people, and we definitely guarantee the quality of the product.
Yeah. See, the way we source is there either from someone who has been, you know, in this line for last 40 years, or somebody who has won lots of national awards in his line of work, his or her line of work. So we always try and get in touch with those weavers and get things from them, because quality is a big assurance if we get from them, and then we feel satisfied giving the best. And we have never come across with any complaint from any of our customers in last 1.5 years, and that's the reason, because we try and give the best.
Do share this video with your friends and family. Wedding season is on these days,
Yes.
so make the most of it. These are some beautiful saris, and we have many more Banarsi silks, Kanjivarams, Paithanis, and other silk saris. Sharmishta, hi. Sharmishta says hi.
Hi Sharmishta.
Yeah, those who have joined us late, we showed some beautiful Banarsi saris today, and we have lots and lots more of such saris. You can always request photographs on WhatsApp. Go through our website, and we can show you the rest of the products. And also do suggest what we show next, since we will be live very often. I hope you enjoyed this live. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye and take care.